Okay, if m is an integer, for which value of m will the equation negative x squared plus mx equals 16 have no real solutions? It'll be very good to remember that no real solutions to an equation such as this will mean that if we graph the left-hand side and we graph the right-hand side, that these two graphs will never intersect. That is what it means to have no real solutions. Lovely example that we can now use Desmos to show us a slider for this m. So let us graph the left-hand side. If ever there is an equation, graph the left, graph the right, see where they intersect is a mantra that you have to remember. Okay, so there we have the slider, and we can move that around a little bit, and then the right hand side, y equals 16, and obviously it's there. Now they don't intersect when m is 3, but these are our choices. So we can, even with trial and error, see what happens if m is minus 2. Then they don't intersect. What happens if m is 9? Then they intersect. What happens if m is minus 9? They intersect. What happens if m is 8? Then they touch. So, which of these do they not even intersect when m is negative 2? No point of intersection. You can obviously also do this with the discriminant, delta, b squared minus 4ac, and let it solve for m with it being less than 0. But graphically, with trial and error, easy to do. The answer is m equals negative 2.